Hello friends, welcome to Natural World. Today we drifting fantasy world the friend of the American home we are Baron, Isco Paola and the Christian and the everyone educate one everyday doing.
Hi Santiago, I'm thrilled to be here. Rainforests are one of the most everytime ecosystems to talk about.
Hello, it's pleasure. I can't wait to share my story from the fields.
Hi everyone, I'm looking for one of these discussing rainforest and how so much misery and important.
Where rain, where rain. Let's start with basic case where when rain in the Americans.
The Amazon, primarily in Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, is the largest rainforest.
And don't forget Central America, wine regions like the Mosquitia in Honduras and Nicaragua.
Mexico as is shared to white slopes, rainforests and Chiapas and the Yucatan Peninsula.
Those when rain change climate.
Yes, they are have warm temperatures and high rainfall year round.
That continent rain supports the dense vegetation we associate with rainforest.
And diversity use of plant and animal species thrive in these conditions.
We are a consistent gas and lower of air.
They absorb massive amount of CO2 and relics energy balancing the global climate.
Plus, they crucial for fresh water and regular water patterns.
And they, as I guide, serve a system for biodiversity and protein species for no herb else.
Christian, can you explain rain strands?
Obscure teeth, ties, trees for the emergence layer rising above everything else.
Below that is the community where most of the action happens. Bees, monkeys, and insects thrive here.
The understory is the next layer, darker and clearer, home to snake, hours, and frogs.
Finally, the forest floor is where the composer for their magic and breaking down organic material.
Paola, how you observe year dual experience?
Yes, sells the legends in action is incredible. The canopy, for instance, felt like it's a boosted city.
Hand what hours in the floor?
Is hilarious but functionality. You feed and fooling and never late predators out in the showers.
It's a perfect example of how every part of the ecosystems is interconnected.
List out plant and baron where study this place.
Trees like the Brazil nut and kapok tower above the caponi.
Then there are a orchid and brown says beautiful plants that grow on their plants.
And vine, they are like the rainforest, natural highways linking trees together.
Paula, how you are grown in the many plants?
Yes, money. The citronella tree, for instance, produces kits and treated for malaria.
Indigenous knowledge of medicinal plants is a treasure try with most preserve.
Losing the plants means losing potential courage for years.
Now let's explore animal Christian what in the species.
Ted Howard, which though is the apex predator of the rainforest.
It would also say colorful monkeys, macaws, and toucans. They breed life to the stress.
And lush, they're fascinating creatures moving so slowly. They all grow on their form.
What those in the sea?
They're an incredible varied birds, birds, and especially the leaf cutters.
Insects are vital and they pollinate plants, decompose organisms matter, and even build ecosystem.
I want watched a colony of ants strip and fallen leaf in minutes. It toured and it finished.
What dog animals and chain in rendezvous?
Each species and evolved to fit a species niche, ensuring survival in such a competitive ecosystem. Competitive ecosystem.
Let break low, froth and baron do blink.
At the bottom, with plants, roots, they convert sunlight into energy.
Then come herbivores like monkeys and fruit hate birds.
Nymphs are say smart carnivores, such as snakes and birds of prey.
And the on top, apex predator like the jaguar maintain balance by controlling populate.
What role prey play?
And they are crucial fungi insects, recycling nutrients, ensuring plants can grow.
We don't think that matters what builds up this current ecosystem.
What have in link discipline?
The balance collapse, losing herbivores, for example, will affect predator and plant growth.
Baron, why be to dry?
Deforestation for agriculture and logging in devastating.
And climate change is altering life patterns, threatening biodiversity.
Illegal wildlife trade is another major issue, harming both animals and ecosystems.
What can we do help?
Support reforestation project chose sustainable product.
Educ cursive and after and wearing is a perfect tool.
And respect the knowledge of indigenous communities of the project the areas.
Can you fulfill hip five? This is what of the grains they do range hybrid quite now only for building of frog soil in species.
Size right, Santiago. Rainforests are so much more than green landscape. They're home to millions of species, many of which remain undiscovered. They also play a vital role in regulate the global climate. Um, Products the oxygen we breathe, protect the its use and environmental responsibility. It's a committed to future generations.
Absolutely, Baron. It's incredible now everything interconnect, every tree, every right, every animals in the reforested contributed to maintain the planet's balance. But this balance is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and unicross exploited are reducing the ecosystem and takes a time for to take action.
Exactly, Paola. And it's important to remember keeps making a difference. Those hurricanes, grants, episodes, small actions like reducing or consumption of product, like to deforestation, supporting conservation initiatives, or simply education ourselves and observe can play a big impact. Protecting the rainforest is surrounding like myself.
Can you, Christian, what your messenger left ring though whether when you live and the house where sport constitution rain completed in responsible local community govern law fetch global response.
And we must forget the protecting rainforests, those maintaining development. On the contrary, it means forcing sustaining development where local communities can thrive without destroying the resource they sustain. Then we can are be part of the transit to a more balanced world.
Exactly, Baron. I hope those lists today fail in respect to act. The solutions are going reach I with work talk imagine a future where the forests remain full of life, ready for clean and future generations can marvel at this natural course.
Every effort counts, and it's now too late to start protecting rainforests. It's a cow takes on its the cow's ultimate tool, protein, the means protein or certain.
Can you for being part the conversation though leads what your things in natural world schemes world happen now only from your live and from inspire your say needs instinct continue explore and Leon won the World Planet Util Scene.
Ah,
Córrelo. México. Espérate otra vez. Grábalo otra vez. Es que es... To remember that making a difference does require from restaurant small action like